Hi, I'm Louisa from Chatterton Tuition. Today we're going to be talking about the sine rule and how to use it to find a side in a triangle. So we'll start with the basics. This is the sine rule. We use this arrangement of the formula to work out an unknown side. The sine rule is very useful as it will work in all triangles, in right-angled triangles and non-right-angled triangles too. Now what we'll do is draw a triangle. The very first thing to do when using the sine rule is to label the angles and sides. We'll label the angles first in uppercase letters. The sides we always label in lowercase letters. What's important is that you label the side opposite the angle labelled capital A with lowercase a. So for example, side B will be opposite angle B and side C will be opposite angle C. Next we're going to do an example. First we have to label the triangle as we now know how to do. This is the information in the example that we have been given to work out the length of side A. We'll label it x. At the top of the page is the sine rule to work out a side of a triangle. All we now have to do is substitute the letters in the formula for the numbers written on the diagram. This gives us x over sine 40 equals 10 over sine 50. Then we times sine 40 on both sides to work out x, our unknown side. Next we have to simply put it into a calculator exactly as it looks. Press equals and we have our answer. We usually round this answer to 3 significant figures, unless specified otherwise in the question. So our final answer is x equals 8.39 centimetres. So, in summary, you can use the sine rule for any triangle. What do we need for the sine rule to work? We need the values of an angle and a side opposite each other, for example angle A and side A. When working out a side, the other information you have to have is the value of the angle opposite the side you want to work out. We always label the angles and sides when we use the sine rule, and don't forget to use the formula. For GCSE or iGCSE, the formula is given on the formula sheet, so you don't need to worry about remembering it. So that is how we find the unknown side in a triangle using the sine rule. Please give the video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and don't hesitate to ask questions in the comments. If you would like to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button. There are links to our Facebook and Twitter pages, as well as a link to our website in the description if you want to check those out. The sine rule can be used to find an unknown side, as discussed in this video, but it can also be used to find an unknown angle. To see how to do this, you can take a look at our other video, so to watch that, just click the link in the description.